Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't, make sure you click the subscribe button. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to build a six-figure cleaning business. Yay! So, today I'm going to talk about marketing. I like to think of this as Monday marketing. So on Mondays, I'm going to make sure that I give you information that you are going to be able to use immediately to market your business. That way you can build a six-figure cleaning business and beyond. Okay, so today we're going to talk about advertising. Now there are two ways you can advertise: organic or paid. Organic is when you have a website or you're doing something with social media that is driving traffic to you. You're doing something. The number one thing you can do is to make sure first that you have some type of social media, whether it's Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or Tumblr or Reddit. There's so many. So the first thing you need to do is Google the list of social media. There's a list of about 100 of them, and it starts with which ones are the most popular, and it goes down to which ones that are the least popular, and even including a YouTube channel. But you want to do at least one social media and do that one very, very, very well. And the number one thing you need to do is be consistent. Do not start posting 3-4 times a week and can keep it up. The most important thing is consistency. Then individuals look forward to what you're trying to tell them as far as your potential cleaning customers. So if you're looking at getting cleaning customers, and that's what you're looking at this channel for, is to build your cleaning company. Am I right? Of course I am. So if you're doing that, then you need to make sure that you do consistent social media posts. Consistent. One of the fave are blogs, and that goes back to your website. So if you do not have a website, you need to get one now. Absolutely, right now. Okay? The second thing is, and this is all organic, that means you're not paying for it. Now, there's so much noise out there, it is becoming more and more challenging to do organic. I think they said with Facebook, you have to do about 10 posts a day just to peek a little bit into out there where you're in the feed. 10 posts a day. Now, there's still no excuse, because you can use one of my favorite tools called Buffer, Buffer, which is absolutely what? Free. That's right. It's free. Buffer is free. So you can schedule your posts, like I said, whether it's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whichever, but get busy. And if you say I'm going to do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, the next is paid traffic. And it's becoming more and more expensive to do paid traffic. Now, you can do paid traffic through YouTube videos, Facebook, and Google AdWords. Those are the three. Now, I am actually a Google AdWords certified partner, which means I went through these series of tests and courses and all and passed them, thank goodness, where I can actually set up Google AdWords campaigns. So I know that there are certain keywords that are really, really, really drivers. They drive the traffic. Once again, you have to have one source, one place where the traffic is being drawn to. So the only thing I can really, really suggest is a website. You need to have a website. Why is that important? Because social media could go away in an instant. If you have a website and traffic is being drawn to your website, guess what you have? A list of prospects. Now, you may say, what am I supposed to be saying in these posts that's going to drive this traffic, right? Whether it's paid or organic, what am I going to say? What you're going to say is you're going to share with them your knowledge. So that lets you know how much you need to study, how much information you need to know about the cleaning industry. So you could share something on tips on keeping the actual building occupancy safe, occupants of the building safe. That's one thing you could talk about. How to keep the bathroom safe. So what you can do is you can look at a subject and then change. So you could have one video post that talks about restroom, and you could just stay in restroom all day and all night. I mean, restroom cleaning is one of the most important ways you keep an account. Then you could talk about how to keep the main walkway clean. whether they get a mat or whether they vacuum or whether they use this or they do that. But the goal is to let them know that you care, honestly care, not just some saying it, but you really care about helping potential cleaning customers. And if they see and when they see the consistency that you are posting to help them build their business, they're going to start caring about you. What is it saying? Once people know that you care about them, they care about what you're talking about and they care about you. So always remember, you have to give first and then you receive. And I always look at when you go to the restaurants and you go to some of the malls. Back in the day when we were going to malls, a lot of people don't go to malls anymore. But when you go to the malls, you would see people giving food away, samplers. And they would give a lot away. You'd see them go restock and they give some more away. And then that person would walk by and they taste it and they come back. And there were some people, yes, that sat there and ate it. You know, they ate all the food and they didn't buy anything. But that's the cost of doing business. That is the cost of doing business. Sometimes people are going to take, but believe it or not, you will get customers that are going to appreciate the information you gave them. They may not need a cleaning company right then, but guess what? You're going to stay top of mind. And when they need a cleaning company, they're going to think of you. So I said that there's organic traffic, which are having a lead magnet on your website where it pops up. You give them something in exchange for their email. You have social media where you have Instagram or Facebook and you're posting just general life things, pictures, really important pictures of what you're doing in your cleaning business. If you're just getting started and you don't have pictures, you have a story, you have information you can convey, but there's something of value that you can give to your potential cleaning customers. That way they're coming, they're finding you through these posts because they're getting in Google. The next thing you can do are paid. Facebook, you can do Google AdWords, or you can do YouTube videos, but there's a lot of paid you can do. You can still set your budgets for about $5 a day, and you can set a budget of, let's say you have a very, very low marketing of maybe $100 or whatever you can do. I think the minimum you can do a day is $5, and you might only do 5 of those, but you are targeting your customers. And guess what's so nice about it? You get to see who's clicking on. You get to see the analytics of what your ad is. So get busy, come up with the Facebook post, put some emotion into it, put someone coming to a nasty building and they're like, oh my God, you want me to come in there? You said, what? You really want me to come into that building? Are you serious? No, you couldn't be serious. Put some humor into it, make it fun, but make it you. You have to market what fits your personality. So on my Marketing Monday, I've given you an actionable item that you can take right now. Organic and paid. Your organic should be 80%. Your paid should be 20%. Mix the two together and you get a great mix. If you want to know more detail about what I actually do to build my cleaning business, 3 of them as a matter of fact, then make sure you subscribe below. There's a link below that you can click onto that is going to register you for my live limited space masterclass. That is a 6-figure cleaning business masterclass, and it's a 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass. That means I'm giving you my secrets, my actual items that I do to continue to teach and build my cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. So I've done this, thank goodness, repeatedly in different places at different times in my life, and it was like really fun. Okay? So if this sounds like something you want, make sure you click the link below and you get to register for the masterclass. Like I said, there's limited space. I'm going to give you all the information on the method that I use. This one method. And what is it? Systems. The main thing I'm going to teach you in the blueprint are systems. That's the only thing that's going to get you to 6 figures and beyond. Because I say beyond because you could easily go into $1 million cleaning business. So 6 figures, stepping there, then moving and continuing on. And it really is fun. If you are doing your own thing, can't emphasize it enough. So if that sounds like something you want to do, make sure you click below, register for 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass. Look forward to seeing you there. Until then, take care, be safe, and bye-bye.